Okay, this is gonna be a bike check by being Mexican to being Mexican something. So, first start out with my fork, my front rim. I have a Haro fork with alienation rim, gold. My frame is a Haro 3.1 2010 frame. Stem Haro 2002, I think. Haro bars from 2010. Haro grips. Checkport grape brakes. A straight cable. I have a Haro C. Alienation back rim with 9 teeth. Tooth. A 24 sprocket. Haro cranks, Haro pedals. Now off to my stickers. I have a DC sticker in my frame. A sunglasses Emporium sticker on my right part of my frame and on the left. And as you can see it, there it is. For this bike, I'm planning to get more stuff. I am planning to get Odyssey cranks and a front Haro white rim. Thanks for watching. Comment for any other suggestions. Thank you.